Hi everybody. Well, I hope everybody got to watch my short that I did the other day. That was a good one. I cracked up after doing it. Karen was laughing the whole time. I had to gag her so we couldn't hear her. That was a good one. Anyhow, I'm going to make a new one today. It's called the Psychotic episode. But first I want to give a couple of shout outs. One shout out is to my friend Damo's Art Studio. Damo, you do great work. And if nobody's watching him, I think you should. Because Damo does incredible work. They look like photographs instead of paintings. You really got to watch Damo's Art World. And the other one, Studio, Damo's Art Studio, D-A, I'll put it down below, just read it. Okay, I'll even write it right there. And another one I want to really give a big shout out to is a very special lady. And she lives in my life. She lives in my house. Well, our house, I guess. Maui Karen Ann. You guys got to watch her. She does good work. She struggles. She works hard, and she needs comments. She needs people to view her videos. And another one I want you to watch is Cocktail Tony. This guy, he's incredible. Oh, you are watching him. Okay, never mind. Let's get going with this Psychotic episode because I think I need one. First of all, I'm going to use 2 ounces of gin. 2 ounces of gin. 1 ounce of Crown Royal vanilla. Crown Royal vanilla. Half an ounce of Cointreau. Half an ounce of, what is this stuff? Passion fruit? Passion fruit. Passion fruit. I'm going to squeeze some lime in there. Half a lime. I squeeze a half a lime in there. Get all this stuff out of my way so you can see it better. And I'm going to shake that up with some ice. And this is a Psychotic episode martini. After you drink this, you're definitely going to have a Psychotic episode. Because I know I do every time I drink it. I don't know what to do. Here you go. A Psychotic episode martini. If I don't have a straitjacket on tonight, then everything's okay, but we don't know how that's going to go. I should have a garnish on there, so there you go. There's a garnish. It's a floating lime garnish, folks. Here you go. Cheers. Psychotic episode coming up. Thank you for watching Cocktail Tony. Have a nice day. See you all soon. Cocktail Tony over and out.